Good morning, people. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, and good day. Well, I want to show you my garden today. It's been a week since my last video, and so I'm gonna flip this here camera around and let y'all see. It's Reese again. See, last time I didn't tell you who I was, so I'm gonna tell you. My name is Reese, and I'm growing in the ghetto. Let me flip it around. Okay, we gonna start with my first bucket. I had some collard greens that I poured a whole packet in the over there. We gonna get to that. You can't see it, but it's over there. I'm gonna show it to you. And then my daughter's plant opened up all the flowers, almost all of them. My parsley that the kids kept pulling out. It's still living though, so I'm happy with it. Over here, oh look, this is blueberries, and it's been parked up and looking all beautiful. Look at that, that got a flower on it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Hello, how you doing? I like it. Okay, and over here is my tomatoes. They got flowers on them. I don't see no tomatoes, but I see flowers. A lot of flowers. I'm not getting any butterflies. Oh, I think that's a flower on the cucumbers too. Look, that's two flowers. Look at that. All right, there's one over there. Yeah, and this is, I believe, it's blackberries, and these are string beans, I believe, but they're not doing good in any of my buckets for some reason. Get off my stuff. Strawberries perked up. Look at that. Oh, look at him looking all pretty. Okay, and then all my lettuce greens is mixed greens, but they not doing too well either. Some of them are, but some of them not. But the strawberries are. Sunflower over here. He's still standing. Wildflowers. I forgot what flower that is. Anybody know what this flower is? Because I planted it over there in the dirt too. And those, oh, wait a minute now. There goes some more. Okay. We got a few coming up. And I put flowers, I believe I put flowers in all of these buckets, trying to bring some butterflies, some bees, some something. And don't know what this is. I planted some, took some of them string beans out of that other pot, put it over here. Then I got boysenberry, I think. I got two blackberry, one boysenberry, and one blueberry. So the blueberry is over there. Blackberry over here. This is boysenberry. And collard greens. I put them in there to see if they would, trying to get them there. I put a whole pack of collard greens in this bucket, and I didn't think it was gonna come up because I bought it from the Dollar Tree, but they all came up. So now I got a bucket full of collard greens. I took the collard greens out of this and put them over here to see if they live, but I don't think so. And my peppers got flowers on them. All right, I like it. I like it. Doggone it. Sunflower, strawberries. Don't know. I was just throwing seeds around. Oh, this is lettuce. I forgot what kind of lettuce. Cilantro and parsley is all up and through here. Still don't know what this is. Green onions and string beans. This is the one that's not doing well. So these are string beans here, here, and here, and these two are bell peppers. The only one that looks like it's living is this one, and this is sunflowers over here. So I don't know why they dying. I put blood meal, fertilizer, neem oil on them, and they still died. But you can tell that the it's not that dry because I watered them yesterday. So I don't know what's going on. If you know what's going on, please put it in the comments below. This is that tree I found at my dentist's office. I put some root starter on it and stuck it in the ground. All the rest of these are sunflowers. And that is another tree. This is another tree I found by my job. It makes these really orangey, pretty flowers. So I put some root starter on it and put them in the ground too. But the sunflowers look like they're doing okay. Trying anyway. So that's my garden. It's coming along. Oh, let me go show you. Oh, look at my basil. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I got basil, rosemary, thyme, and oregano. No, that's rosemary. That's thyme. That's basil. I think that's oregano. And I got some more strawberries in the spots that look like they're empty. They're not. They have strawberries in them. Oh, and this is another type of basil. It was looking kind of dead for a minute there. Now it's trying to perk up. Look at him looking all pretty. And this is a plant I've had for years. I broke it off and it just they never die. They never die. And anybody wants macaw greens, got to figure out how to move them around. And my lavender, he could be doing a little bit better. But I'm going to put some more food on him and see if he perk up. But that's my garden. I think it's coming along. Okay, but I wanted to let you know. This 5-tier here was on Amazon for $36.99. This one is on Amazon for $14.95 or $14.99 a piece, which I thought was 5 tiers. And when they came in 3 pieces, and they were $14.99 a piece. And these are the ones that you get at Dollar Tree, which you can never find in Oakland, California no more, because they all gone. So I got all of them there, but I can't find them anymore. So I want to order some larger pots, but these buckets I got at Home Depot for $49.95 years ago, like 6 years ago, and the rings popped off, 2 of them, so that's why it's on the ground right there. I can't get them back up. And see, it's supposed to look like that, but it looked like that. And I was thinking about buying another one, but then not if they're gonna do this. I might as well just get some more of these or some more of those. I was thinking about ordering 2 more of those so I don't have to work that hard to get whatever I plan in it. But I don't know if it's giving enough water or whatever for the lettuce. So I'm gonna keep watering it and see how it come out. You know, because they living good up in these buckets though. So I'm still debating. What you think? Should I get another bucket? Barrel. I keep calling them buckets, but they barrels. Or should I just get some more of these? Or pots. Large pots. You know. Tell me in the comments down below. But spider webs is all over my stuff. Shoot. But, oh, isn't he just beautiful? Look at that. I don't know what it's called, but it's the prettiest thing I ever seen. You know. And I need birds. I put a bird feeder. I mean, a hummingbird feeder. But I haven't seen a hummingbird. And this is a walnut tree in the backyard. But they used to give off walnuts that were this big. And now, oh, I got spider web on me. Oh, Lord. But now, I think it's sickly because they're this small now, and they just fall off before they get really big. I mean, when I first moved, I've been here about 4 or 5 years, and now they're this small. But they used to be huge, you know, and now, nope. So, and it used to have birds, it used to have a woodpecker in here, hummingbirds, it used to have raccoons, but nothing. I think the tree is dying. Not living up to its expectations. But that's my garden. I want to say thank you for watching, and ooh, that smells so pretty. Make you want to go cook some chicken. Yeah. And yeah, so this is lettuce. I was wondering what the heck I put in here, but this is that lettuce. I forgot. It's not romaine lettuce, but it looks like that lettuce they put on your sandwiches at the sandwich shop. That's what it looked like on the package. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. I would really greatly appreciate it. And you have a blessed day. Bye now.